Hi, and welcome to a new phonetic sounds video. This time, the sound that we're focusing on is the sound This can be quite a difficult sound for learners of English. To make the sound, push your lips forward and push them in at the side a little bit. Your tongue is relaxed in your mouth and you make the sound So let's take a look at some words that have in them. Turtle, turtle. Birthday, birthday. Purple, purple. 30, 30. And here is a limerick to practice the sound There was an old person of Hurst who drank when he was not athirst. When they said, "You'll grow fatter," he answered, "What matter, that globular person of Hurst?" There was an old person of Hurst who drank when he was not athirst. When they said, "You'll grow fatter," he answered, "What matter, that globular person of Hurst?" As you can see in the limerick, there are three words that have the sound Hurst, athirst, and person. But the sound has a different spelling in each of those three words. As you know, in English, spelling and pronunciation don't always match. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. Okay, so there are a few different ways this sound can be spelled. So let's take a look at some words that have the same sound, but different spelling. Burger, burger. Bird, bird. Fern, fern. Pearl, pearl. World, world. And here's a tongue twister to practice the sound A warm worm walks to work. Once more. A warm worm walks to work. A warm worm walks to work. A warm worm walks to work. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little more about the sound in English. I'm making videos about all the phonetic sounds in English, and you can find them, together with some tongue twisters and limericks and other ways to practice your English pronunciation, at Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. You can find this right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Going to the pronunciation gym is like going to any gym. Regular visits will strengthen your muscles and help you to improve. So strengthening your English muscles will help to improve your English pronunciation, which in turn will help your English listening. So head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym now for a workout. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.